what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have something for you. I created a new account on Stitch Fix on my other email and decided to get a new fix by a different stylist and see if they could follow what I was asking for, like light and bright spring colors, and see if I can just get a fresh new set of eyes on, you know, my style. And I'm not sure what's in this box. I'm not sure who my stylist is or anything like that. So if you like these kind of videos, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna get into the box. I'm opening it now. So let's see. It's a little box, nothing huge, nothing big. So let's get into it and see what's in here. So if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, I have a link down below where you can get $25 towards your first fix. So that's awesome. You can try it out risk-free. If you don't like anything, just send it all back. Or you could buy one piece or all pieces. If you buy all the pieces, you get a 25% discount. So it's pretty awesome. So inside you get this little envelope, and it has your price sheet as well as your style card and your return mailer envelope. And this, I'm not sure what this is here. Oh, this tells you exactly what to do with the products inside. And here is my style card. So we'll see who my stylist is and we'll read the note. So let's see. Okay, so here is the bundle. There's this end, and then there's this end here. So let's see what's in here. Looks really nice. It's colors that I asked for, finally. So this is my first fix, and my stylist's name is Abrianna. And it says, "Hello, Kristen. Welcome to your March fix. Since spring is finally here, I wanted to pack in this fix full of items to help get you and your closet ready for the season change." Perfect. That's exactly what I asked for. To start things off, we've had the taupe 3/4 length sleeve Dolman top or the black cross front knit top by Emery Park. Both of these tops are great basic items to have in your closet for spring. Some tops that are perfect to have in your closet for spring. Some of these tops that are perfect to add some spring colors to your look, and try the white textured print top or the blue mixed material blouse by PAPERMOON. Last but not least, for the perfect cardigan to pair with these tops, try the navy long sleeve knit cardigan by Mix. I hope you enjoy the spring fix and keep up the great feedback coming. Best wishes and happy spring, Abrianna. So here's my style card, if you could see that. So let's see what she put in there, and then let's look at the price sheet and see how much everything is. Okay. So let's get into the bundle. All right. So the first item that I have here, oh, this looks like the Dolman top. I love this color. Really cute. It's kind of like a light purple. We'll see what the tag says. I love this top. I think I have this LAILA Jade. I think I have this brand in one of these already, and it's gray, and they actually sent me one of my other fix. So this one, I like this color better. It's taupe. LAILA Jade Bowie 3/4 length Dolman knit top in taupe. And I'll have a little card here that shows the pricing, item, and the picture. So anything you want, you can always ask your stylist to send you. Okay, so the next item here is this white textured top. I don't know if you could see let me move the tags. Put the tags inside for you so you can see the texture. See that? Yeah, you could see it. It's cute. I could try it on. It's kind of my style. These are the colors that I'm looking for spring. So it's a V-neck, and it's kind of see-through. It's not material on the back. It's just thin. This is the Market and Spruce Exide and textured print top in white. So we'll see what that looks like. Okay. All right, next, this top is really not my style, but I like the color. It's this blue top with a little, like two different textures. It looks like a rougher material here and then a smoother material here. And then there's a cross that's in the back. So this is the front and the cross is in the back. See that little string there? So this is cute. We'll see, but I really like that Dolman top. Next is, oh, did I read that? No, I didn't read that tag. So this was the PAPERMOON Taylar mixed material blouse in blue. All right, next here, I think this would be a staple piece as well as the Dolman top in my wardrobe. I really like this. This is just your basic, let me pull this tag out here. Emery Park top, and it has your crisscrosses here, and it's longer, which I love, and it's 3/4 length sleeve. It's super soft. So we'll see how this looks on. And this is the Emery Park Dulce 3/4 length sleeve cross front knit top in black. So that's a really nice basic. And this cardigan, I'm super excited to see because I like the flat front cardigans. So this is cute. It's just your basic navy cardigan. Looks like a little bit of a waterfall in the front. So we'll see what that looks like. And it's kind of thin, so it's nice for spring. So we'll see what this looks like here. This is the Mix by 41 Hawthorn Abrianna long sleeve knit cardigan in navy. All right, so that's my 5 items. I'll go over prices after I try everything on and let you guys know what my final thoughts are, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first item we have here is this Dolman top in taupe. I think it's really cute. It really fits my style and what I like to wear. I did a little front tuck with it, and then you can wear it out in the back. I thought it was really cute. Or you can wear it out and kind of like flounce a little bit, and I thought this was adorable as well. It's really cute with the 3/4 length sleeve. It's a little bit baggier than the other one that I own, but I really like it a lot. It'd be a really nice addition to my clothes. So we'll see how much it is and if I decide to get it. Okay, so guys, here is the next top. It's the white top. It's super cute. Actually, it fits really nice. Yeah, I mean, it's just a regular top, and you could see the pattern. It has the V-neck. It looks really cute with this necklace. I don't know, that looks really nice against my skin. Really pretty. See, I like light and bright colors like I asked for. It's cute. So I'm gonna try on the cardigan. So hold on one second. Okay, so here's the cardigan with it. This is flat. The flat front that I always liked has a little bit of a waterfall here in the front, which I don't mind. It fits very nicely in the back. So yeah, this is really cute. See the color, it's a navy. See, this is like more my style. This top underneath, not so much, but I think maybe I can wear it with like a jean jacket. I'm gonna put on my jean jacket and see what it looks like. So I'll let you guys know. Okay, so next we have here is this crisscross top, and it fits really nice in the back. I like the crisscross here. I like the 3/4 length sleeve. It'd be very cute for work. Let me know what you guys think if it's just too basic. I've actually been wanting this top for a while, and I haven't been able to get it from any of my other stylists, which I think is really weird. And then I'm able to just randomly get it. So let me know what you guys think. This is super soft. It's just plain black, and then it's 3/4 length sleeve. All right. Okay, last but not least is this blue top. It's super cute. In the back, you can see the little crisscross, and you can wear it out like this, or you could tuck it in like this and wear it. I think it's cute. I mean, everything in this box is really nice. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? I think it's really good. If the prices are reasonable, I might get it all. We'll see. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have my price sheet here, so we're gonna go over everything. And okay, so the first item we have here is this mix by 41 Hawthorn cardigan. I thought this was awesome. The only thing is it flounced out a little bit at the bottom. I like more of a straight cardigan, but I love this color and I thought this was great and it's super cute. So this is $38. So that's really a good steal. Awesome item. Next we have here is, this was my favorite item, which was the taupe Dolman. And this one was by LAILA JAYDE, and it's $58. Love this. It's so expensive though, so I really need to decide if I really want to spend $58 on this. I know I can wear this to work and love it, so we shall see. Next is this top, so I'm on the fence about this. Is it inside out? Okay, yeah. This is something that I can wear to conferences and stuff, and I thought this would be really cute, but it wouldn't be something I gravitated towards. It's marketed in Spruce, and this one's also $58, so it's kind of pricey for me, so I don't know. Next is the black top here, which I know I will get a ton of use out of, and I have to decide if I want to keep this or the other one, the Dolman. So this here is the EMORY Park top, and this is $38. I love that. This was really cute too, this PAPERMOON top. I took it out and I'm like, I thought this was adorable. I love the color too. If it was a little bit longer, I would like totally buy this. I think this was so cute. She really did a good job on this. This is also $38. So I'm really torn on what to buy here. The total for the box was $230. Buy all 5 discount was $57.50. And then my styling fee credit, which is $20. So $47.50. So I'm not sure what to buy. So I might do the Dolman. I'm not sure. But I'll let you guys know in the comments what I decided to buy. But I appreciate you guys coming by. And thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a great rest of your day. Bye.